Okay, for this process step, we are going to need our needle and our thread and our awl, and it's the sharp tool. So this you are going to use for all of the junk journals that you make going into the future. So you want to find the center and then the next two holes next to it for this journal. So you are going to be cutting a A5 piece of strip. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half and in half again, right, until you have those lines. So it will be 1, 2, 3 symmetrical holes, and then what I also do is I fold the whole strip in half so that I'm able to lay it inside of the middle. So I will show you now what that looks like inside of the journal. So remember I told you to put one of your envelopes in the center. This piece of strip will be going into your center and it will just lay there, and it will tell you exactly where your dots are and where your holes needs to be poked. So usually at this stage what I do is I just put some clips on to hold my papers together so that I do not mess it up. And that is what it looks like. So now I know I'm going to take my awl and punch 1, 2, 3, and then as you can see I make sure that these 3 holes lies inside of my envelope. So 1, 2, 3, and that is literally where my needle and thread will be going into.